Alright, so I fucked up earlier. I got off the bike to eat. My weight was like super shifted. So right here got all scratched. Right here's a little scratch. The mirror came loose. It's fine. And then like we scratched the you can see like right here a little bit. But I mean, I don't know. It is what it is. I was literally in the parking spot. Fucking going like literally less than a half mile an hour. It was going like this slow, and my weight was super turned because I was trying to like turn the bike a full 180, and I hit the front brake too hard, and it literally just shifted me sideways. So dumb mistake. You should know better. It is what it is though. I don't really like the mirrors in the first place. We're already gonna replace it. That was already the plan. I just haven't ordered them yet. I was gonna order them after my vacation, so we'll be ordering those when I get paid next week on my vacation. So that'll be a fun video to have. This video is probably gonna be a series of like little clips from me riding around down to work. I bought a laptop from my work, and I had to come grab it today before we went up north. That way I had something to use while we're up north. It's a Latitude 7000 series, 2.6 gigahertz processor, 16 gigs RAM. I don't think it has an M2 drive. I don't think it's compatible with that. But yeah, it is what it is. It does have like an SSD and such, etc, etc. Somebody's got smashed over there. That's unfortunate. Very unfortunate. I hate Telegraph for that reason. That's why we will be staying in the far right lane. I don't have a mirror. But also part of this video, I want to conquer, you know that first video I did, the Rebel on the freeway, the first one, very first one? It didn't get many views. But I want to just like redo that. I want to show myself that it's not scary after having been, I don't even know, like 3 weeks or so since that happened. It's really hot. It's like 91 degrees out. But yeah, it's pretty much just chill cruise riding from here, so I'll be back in a minute. We about to hit 800, baby. We got 799. Let's go. Miles on miles on miles. Miles on miles on miles. I mean, I think that's pretty good. We did 780 some miles without laying the bike down. It also doesn't help. I was kind of leaning my weight this way, and then I like hit the brake pretty decent. Yeah, I literally had my left foot off, so I literally just jumped off, and it went down, and I picked it back up. It was down on the ground for maybe 2 seconds. I don't know, man. It is what it is. Light bike, easy to pick up. I hate traffic through here. It sucks. Hopefully 75 isn't just destroyed. Bruh. It's so hot. There's so much traffic. Dude, I need like a 3/4 and or like a half helm. Hopefully the camera view is alright. I don't even know what we got going on here, to be honest. Middle lane's fine, baby. What a turd. Hydration. Choke yourself while you're at it too. Whew. Alright. We're already doing better than we did. Look at that. Last time I was coming through here, I don't think I was at like 59, 60, like the whole way. And it's supposed to be 70. So I was like 65 maxing through here. I might have hit 70 and I was like, oh my god, it's scary. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it and say that it's not like scary, because it's scary. It's a little bumpy, it's a little sketchy. I know this road very well. It was a little bit more windy than it is today. I'm also a lot more used to the wind too, so I guess we can preference it with that as well. I don't know if that's part of it, but I did check the weather for that day after I got home, and the winds were like 10 to 15 mile an hour. I don't know what the winds are today, but I will look it up. They're probably like 3 to 6 miles an hour. Nothing too crazy. I mean, they're pushing me around a little bit, but okay, we're still going slow, but I mean, we're keeping up with traffic. Can't be mad. This bridge is kind of sketchy. Yeah, there's no way. Last time I wasn't doing this. Last time I was going 60, like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. Killing it. Hey, I know this guy. I think I know this guy. It looks like my homie's dad. That's funny. We're vibing though, man. It's definitely like not a big deal. I don't know. It's pretty windy. Is it on par with where it was the other day? Nah. But I mean, I know how to adapt to it. Lean my body. Lean the bike. I don't really like to lean the bike at speed and winds like this, to be honest. It's a little sketchy, but I don't know. It feels good. I'm having a good time, and yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to make a small little video conquering our fears. Let's go! And we hit 800 miles. Some cruising clips and stuff as well. So I'll probably throw those in after this. Hopefully you all enjoy. If you do, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I tried to film some clips while I wasn't talking, just for some fun. We'll probably throw some music or something over it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yeah. Oh, dude, I love the muffler delete. Outdoor Motorsports, what's up? Ooh, they got a Banshee, bro? Thankfully, there's nobody behind me. We can go slow. I hate this fucking ramp in a car. I bet I'm gonna hate it in a bike. It's so dumb. You gotta like stop down here and wait. Big old pothole. Fucking hate it. And we got a red light. Woo!